I'm Emil Cray and I'm the project manager of the TU Delft HydroMotion Team. By winning the race in Monaco, we want to inspire what is possible with hydrogen in the maritime industry. But we can't do this alone. To achieve all this, we need to work together. And for this we have a partnership with PhotonFirst. With their data and their sensors, we can validate the structural analysis of our boat. And this data will then next year be used to reconfigure the boat and to work towards an even better model.